Hello everyone, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see the workbook below for standard 7 Sanskrit, second semester book, chapter number 7, Subhashitani. Question number first. For each of the given questions, choose the options that is its correct answer and write the letters corresponding to the answer in the box provided. First, what is the true ornament of hand? So the answer is C, donation. Second, knowledge is the ornament of what? So the answer is C, ear. Third, truth is the ornament of what? So the answer is D, neck. Fourth, when is the difference between a crow and a cuckoo apparent? So the answer is B, during spring. And fifth number, in which three aspects are good people one similar? So the answer is C, in mind, speech and deed. Sixth number, Sarvatirthmayi blank. So the answer is B, Mata. Seven number, Yatha Chitam Tatha blank. So the answer is B, Vachah. 8 number, Vidyarthi blank Tyajit. So the answer is D, Sukham. 9 number, what does the word Kutah means? So the answer is B, from bad. 10 number, MCQ, what does the word Shrotram means? So the answer is B, to hear. And 11 number, MCQ, Sukharthiha Kim Tyajit. So the answer is C, Vidya. Exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with proper words according to the poem. First, blank kim prayojanam. So the answer is bhushaneha. Second, ko bhed blank. So peek kakayo. Third, chitte vanyam priyayam cha blank ekarupta. So sadhunam. Fourth, blank tasmat sarvayatnena pujayet. So mataram pitaram. And fifth, vidyarthi blank sukham. So tyajet. Exercise number 3. Put a right against the true statement and wrong against the false statement. First, rosary is an ornament of throat. So the answer is wrong. Second, the color of stalk is black. The color of swan is black. So the answer is wrong. Third number, the person who desires knowledge must give up comfort. So the answer is right. And fourth number, mother is the symbol of all pilgrims. So the answer is right. Fifth, just as the mind is, the speech is right. Exercise number 4. Rewrite the following words in neat handwriting. So as you can see, I have written the same words. Bhushanam Krishnah Sukharthina Tirtha Sarvatirthamayi Kriyayam and Shrutasya. Question number 5. Match the columns A and B correctly to make the complete sentences. So here Hastasya Bhushanam. So answer is Dhanam. Kakah Krishnah. Third, Yathachitam Tatha Vacha. Fourth, Shrotrasya Bhushanam Sastram. And fifth, Sukharthi Tyajit Vidya. Exercise number 6. Make, recite and write the words follow the example. First, Kantha Kanthasya, Padah Padasya, Shrottam Shrotram. Fourth, Mukham Mukhasya, Netram Netrasya. Here writing mistake is there. Third number, Shrotram, so Shrotrasya. You have to add the word shya. Instead of ma, you have to use the word shya. 7 number, fill in the blanks in the following sentences by selecting the appropriate words from the brackets. First, Vidyarthi blank Tyajit. So the answer is Sukham. Second, Sukharthi blank Tyajit. So the answer is Pustakam. Third, Kriyashila blank Tyajit. So Nindra. Fourth, Sajjanah blank Tyajit. So Krodham. And fifth, Mitram blank Tyajit. So Drunam. Question number 8. Frame the sentences using the words given in the brackets and write. Follow the example. First, Yatha blank Tatha blank. So Yatha Annam Tatha Manah. Second, Yatha blank Tatha blank. So Yatha Raja Tatha Praja. Third, Yatha blank Tatha blank. So Yatha Bijam Tatha Phalam. Question number 9. Find out the true synonyms of the Sanskrit word given below from the option given against them and write. First, Hastah Karah. Second, Shrotram Karnah. Third, Mata Janani. Fourth, Bhushanam Abhushanam Alankarah. Fifth, Pikah Kokilah. And sixth, Pita Tatah Janakah. Exercise number 10. Answer each of the following question in one sentence in English. What are the true ornaments of the hands, the neck, and the ears? So, the true ornament of the hand is donation, the true ornament of neck is truth, and the true ornament of ear is knowledge. Second, what is understood by the example of crow and cuckoo? So, the answer is the poet bring out the difference between the good and evil people with the example of crow and cuckoo. Third, how are good people different from the bad ones? So the answer is the consistency or uniformity of mind, speech and action of good people, but these things we can not see in the bad people. Fourth, how has the poet described mother? So the answer is the poet has described mother as the symbol of all pilgrims. Fifth, how has the poet described father? So the answer is the poet has described father as the symbol of all gods. Sixth number, who is a real student? So the answer is a person who desires knowledge, for that he give up comfort is a real student. Exercise number 11. Translate the following verses into English. First, just as the mind, the speech is, just as the speech, the action is, there is uniformity in the thought, speech, and action of a good people. Second, mother is the symbol of all pilgrims, father is the symbol of all gods, therefore, one must make all efforts to worship mother and father. Dear students, exercise number 12 is complete the following verses that you have to write it down from your textbook. So, verse number first, second, and third, which is given here, that you have to copy down from your textbook. Here, our workbook fill up for chapter number 7 is over. You may copy down all the exercise in your workbook. Thank you.